place. They are taking their bikes, and the people are also going on the tractor. And we are second. This will continue for the whole day. Hi friends, this is Poonam, and I'm first of all very sorry that I'm uploading these videos after a very long time. So today I'm standing on a road without any shoes on. So it is because I'm like near a flood and there are the rice fields. You know, it may be wheat also, I don't know. But everything have been damaged because of the flood. Like from 2-3 days, our school is also giving us holidays because the bus can't go from these roads. So now everyone is like walking without shoes, and even the bikes they have been taken with the help of a tractor. Like in front of me, see, there is, and the people they are like sitting on the tractors because that side there's a lot of water. So you know what, people can't travel. But still, I saw a car coming from there. See what is happening. The bike, it's cheering. It seems like, you know, at this show that car can do this thing, bikes can do this thing. That same is happening here. In reality, but it is, you know, a cheap form. And here the water level has increased a little because my legs, it's, you know, drowning a little bit. But of course, I'm not drowned. And if I drown, I don't know. So anyways, and when we came here first, it was like, I thought, okay, the roads are not covered. And like, how will it be covered? But after coming here, I guessed it wrong, and it's like, it's covered fully. And I like the feeling that it's sliding. Oh my god, it is sliding. This feels so satisfying. And even the sound from there. And even the sound from there is... Guys, you can see the water level there. It is just flowing to this water. Friends, so you can see there, like it's forming a small little coochie waterfall. And I thought I was about to get wet. Okay, so that's all, and you can see that it's a cute little waterfall forming. Little. So it's kind of waterfall, and the water level, it will be increased again and again. I hope so it is decreased so that we can go to the school. Thank you so much for watching.